Dear survivor, my name is Kirsi Mary. I am empath, and I would like to tell you what's going to happen when a real empath gets angry. It is not loud at first. A real empath usually stays patient far too long. They forgive, they understand, they try to see the good in everyone. Even after disrespect, even after lies, even after pain. But people mistake that kindness for weakness. We are not weak. We are just kind. And what they do not understand is this. An empath becomes dangerous when they finally stop caring. It's that moment when empath doesn't care about you anymore. And she or he is ready just to walk away silently from your life. It's not dangerous with violence. It's not dangerous with revenge. It's dangerous because they finally see the truth clearly. The moment a real empath gets angry is usually the moment their heart finally breaks awake. And suddenly, we don't need more excuses, more chasing, no more emotional access, and no more endless forgiveness. Own forgiveness is limited. The empath becomes calm, cold, and very silent. And that silence feels terrifying to the people who depended on their love, attention, and care. Because once an empath truly detaches emotionally, they rarely return the same way again. Real empaths, they don't come in your life back. Never again.